If you're looking for a refurbished computer, I'm here to help. My name is Trey, and I work with PCs for People. In this tutorial, I will be covering how to place an order with us for a desktop. You can also do the same process with a laptop as well. The first step is going to PCsforPeople.org. I can go under Get Tech and select Shop Online. This will take me to our sales page. You can also go directly to this page by going to PCsRefurbished.com. Now that I'm on our sales page, I can select through getting a desktop, a laptop, or internet. I'm going to select View Desktop. When I selected View Desktops, I can look through our variety of different desktops available. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to select the HP EliteDesk 800. Now that I selected the desktop, I can customize the computer, such as changing the hard drive, the RAM, adding Microsoft Office, selecting a monitor, adding a webcam, and such other customizations. These customizations will affect the price, such as if I increase the hard drive and the RAM and add Office, it will reflect here in the price.